Ugly bitches. Yes, bitch, look at that engine, oh. V6. V6 in here. Look at my motherfucking builder on, bitch. I got a question why them hoes hating on me. I got a question why them hoes hating on me. I hope you get out my car, bitch. Get out my fucking car. Don't worry about if I got my motherfucking L's or not, bitch. Why is you worrying about if I got lights? Like I'm about to pick you up or something. Don't worry about what the fuck I got. Should I put on my other wig? Keep this bitch on, just nappy in the back. Or should I go natural? It's like, no. I ain't gonna go natural on the moles. They really gonna be mad. Bitch. Bitch, I'm not gonna go all natural. No, bitch. Them hoes gonna really be sick. You bitches bored behind the phone sniffing, watching me while I'm living my best life outside. That's why bitches mad. They are so mad. Don't forget that they them hoes so jealous of me. They is just so jealous of me. Especially because I got all this money and I'm so fancy. I think I'm gonna get me a lamb chop today. There's a lot of niggas up here, bitch. Should I get out and walk? I got a lot of ass. My ass gonna make a nigga try to stop me. Bitch, I don't know if I should get out and start working and stuff. Because I know a whole lot of niggas looking at me right now. Like if I get out, who is this man with a knife? Put my shit in drive, bitch. I think he got a knife or something behind me. No, what the fuck is he holding? But I'm starting to get suspicious now. He's starting to become a suspect. If he come anywhere near my car, bitch, I'ma pull off. Thank God I'm a bad bitch. And chocolate as fuck. With a whole lot of class and a whole lot of money. That's why they mad. Cause I am not begging for shit. Ain't my gas light, bitch. I got a full motherfucking tank of gas, ho. Fuck you talking about, bitch. My shit is all the way good, baby, bitch. I don't need shit. Never asked me for shit. Why is bitches so pressed? Like, why is you so pressed? Bitch, it ain't never that serious at all, honey. I'm living my greatest life. And you're pressed. Baby, bitch, don't do all that, sister. Bitch, it ain't really never get, like, come on, bitch, don't. That's all I got to say. Your mother look a mess. That's the difference. I'm a bad bitch. I got a car. Bitch, my name is in this motherfucking car, bitch. Bitch, okay, let me go, here you go. Cause the bitch gonna think I wanna get in their parking lot. Bitch, I don't need nothing about your residential streets, okay? Bitch, I'm crazy, but I ain't crazy. Shit. Okay, bitch, I'm a real fish. I need one of my good girls to spare $10 because I left my card and I need to make it back. I done left my card at the thing. Baby, trust me, I really left. Bitch, I'm getting rich, ho. That's why you mad. You mad as fuck. Bitch, because I got plenty of money. So at the end of the day, I'm a bad bitch. I got my own shit. Why you mad? Because I got my own car. At the end of the day, like I said, bitch, I'm not broke. I got plenty of money. So you can't argue with me. I ain't never going broke, bitch.